Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time joining us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now and become a part of the family. So literally this looks like that time I was going to Cape Town, guys. I'm wearing the same wig and the same top but I'm going to school now. I'm about to take you guys on a day with ZeeX, a day in the life. So I'm going to campus right now. I have a presentation this morning, a group presentation to do, and then I'm going to go get my nails done. Then I gotta go to the mall. Then I have to get a few things. I can't remember exactly what it is that I need to get, but I need to get it from Clicks. I just remember that. I'm gonna remember on my way to school. I just know that it's something important I need to get from Clicks. And then after that, I'm gonna come home, eat, maybe chill. Yeah, but you guys will see everything when I do it. Also, I'm gonna show you guys my skincare routine in this video. So if you guys wanna see my skincare routine, stay tuned. And let's get into this day. I'm not going to take my camera with me because I do take public transport to school, so bye. Okay guys, I'm on campus now. I just had my coffee. I'm about to head get my nails done. It's here in Brom. I feel so awkward right now because I'm vlogging and I'm by myself, guys. Gunman, so embarrassing. What's up guys? I'm in the Pick and Pay and I'm just getting a few things. Really I just came to get some fish. Got myself, you can't see anything, I got myself fish and then I got myself juice and some Pringles. Deciding if I really need Pringles. By the way, here are my nails. I'm gonna tell you guys about my nails when we get home because what's up guys, I'm back. It's been such a long day. I'm so freaking tired. Right now the time is, it's 4 o'clock, literally 3:59. All I've had is that chai latte. I'm not too hungry yet. I had some Pringles just now in the car at least. I'm gonna finish those now because salt and vinegar Pringles are those beaches. So with my nails guys, I'm not mad, but like I'm not so excited. I asked for a coffin shape and like comment down below guys, am I tripping by the coffin lay? No, and I don't really, if I have a person who's doing my nails, right, I don't like to give too much direction because it gets to a point where it's like I'm nyatting. You get what I'm saying? And I get it, it's my nails. I should, like, if I want a while, I should while. Nonetheless, the price was good, the service was good, everything else was good. If you guys want to check out the guy who did my nails, I will leave his name in the description box and you guys can go check him out on Instagram. But right now, as I said, I'm just gonna chill because I'm just really tired. I might even doze off into a nap. Then after that, I'm gonna cook. I bought some fish because I haven't had like a proper meal in like a while. So I did buy some fish, not like hectic fish, just like the one crumbed fish, the one that you just put in the oven. So I'm gonna have that. And then I made corn yesterday that I didn't finish, so I'm gonna eat fish, corn, and then I'm gonna make spinach again. Guys, making spinach, my stomach literally wiles every single time I make spinach because that thing cleans you out. Because I only like when I make spinach, I just steam it. So listen, it's like the best green vegetable. Green leafy vegetables are like the plug if you're trying to clean out your system. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later, and we're gonna do my skincare routine tonight. I didn't have time to do it this morning because I was really late. So tonight we're gonna do the skincare routine. So I hope you guys are excited for that. Stay tuned, we're nearly there. Okay guys, I realized that I pretty much had already made everything. So I'm just warming up the stuff. The only thing that I needed to make was the shut the fuck up. The only thing that I needed to make was the fish, and I didn't do anything. I literally just put it in the oven. So I was like, I'm not going to make a vlog on putting something in the oven. The corn I made yesterday, so I'm just making a little bit more spinach. But again, I'm literally just putting spinach into the pan and putting water in it. There's nothing really to show. But I'll show you guys how my meal looks when I'm at ew. I'll show you guys how my meal looks when I'm done and when I've washed this thing. Here is the finished meal. We have corn, sweet corn with aromat, an important step. We have garlic and parsley, Iron J fish thingy. I made 2 of these, but I'm only gonna eat 1 now because I think this is gonna fill me up. But if I need another one, then I'll just have that. Spinach, steamed, and literally just water. I just put spinach in the pan and put water in it and then said and came back to eat it. So this is my meal. It's my dinner. I'm gonna put a little bit of sweet chili sauce on the side. Thumbs up if sweet chili sauce is that bitch, because tomato sauce is good, but sweet chili sauce is that bitch. So let's dig in. What's up guys, we're in my bathroom, as you guys can obviously hear because it's echoing so much, but we are going to be doing my skincare routine because I said I was going to do this for you guys, so super excited to bring it to you. But you guys are going to be so bored with me because my skincare routine is so simple. For me, the simpler it is, the more it's probably going to work for me. I don't like a super intricate skincare routine only because it's probably not likely that I'm going to stick to it. I need something simple, quick, but effective. If you have good products like good moisturizer, good face wash, good toners, all that stuff, you're gonna be fine. Right now I'm not using a toner. This is only because the toner that I have, I don't feel like I need to still be using it. It's this toner, the Gentle Magic. I don't really use it as often as I used to when I was really still focusing on clearing up my dark marks, only because I'm using a moisturizer now that's specifically for that. And I don't know how good this is for your skin, guys. Obviously it is, like, it helps. I don't know how good it is for your skin, so I'm trying not to use it. I do use it every now and again. As you guys can see, this is my second bottle. I use it every now and again, but I'm not going to be using it in this video. But I do think it's important to show you guys that if I do tone, ASMR, but this is the stuff that I use. So yeah, simple skincare is like the best way to go for me. But before I get into my skincare, I'm gonna brush my teeth because I didn't brush my teeth. It was just in the shower, as you guys would have seen. So I'm just gonna brush my teeth. I use this Aquafresh all-in-one protection mild minty toothpaste. Doesn't really matter to me what toothpaste I use, Aquafresh or Colgate. But remember to brush your teeth, guys, for 3 minutes. Let the time lapse begin. Now that's my teeth washed. For me, brushing teeth is super essential because of the fact that I do have a retainer in the bottom part of my teeth. I got this retainer because I had braces when I was like much younger, so a lot of food does get stuck in there. Okay, let me not say a lot of food, but like for example today I was eating corn, as you guys saw, for dinner. So corn did all the time get stuck in my retainer, so I gotta, oh, it was really sore actually. For me, it's really important also to wash my teeth first, because washing your teeth after you've just cleaned your face is just not it. Now you have Colgates after you have just flippin' washed your whole face. No. So the face wash I'm using is this one. So you guys can see it's nearly finished. I have another one in my room that I actually just bought today, but I actually want to finish this one before I start a new one. But this is the Daily Essentials Oil Balancing Gel Wash from Johnson's. I did speak about this in my hot new-ish video. I did also speak about my cleansing brush. Okay, let me get it so we can talk about it. I told you guys about my cleansing brush that I used. I used this brush this morning. It's from DeeXFam, by the way, so if you guys want to buy it, definitely check it out. It's at Discount. I used it this morning, so I'm not going to use it again. You should not be using that brush more than, I don't use it more than 3 times a week, because I do have sensitive skin, is what I've realized along the years. My skin is sensitive, so if I do anything harsh to it, my skin starts to ache, or it gets red patches on it, which is just not a good look for me. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, but it really helps to cleanse my skin. So I feel like I have something white on my face. No. Okay, anyways, so what I've been using is this, and so all I do is just apply this, wash, and then put on my moisturizer. So let's do that. As you guys can see, the skin is clean. The skin is supple. But anyways, you guys can see that my skin is clean. It feels great. It doesn't feel too hectic. My problem is right now my skin is just, I'm getting my forehead white to match the bottom part of my skin. I don't know if you guys can pick it up on camera, but it is, you can see there's like a line here, then it's dark here, and then this is all one color. So I'm trying to even out my skin tone. And I, in order to do this, have used Clinique. This is the moisturizer that I'm currently using from Clinique. It's a Clinique ID Dramatically Different Oil Control Gel. So that is the base of what I'm using. And then the cartridge is for even skin. I'm not going to go too in depth about what this has done for me and what like my thoughts and everything are on it, because I'm going to be doing a hot new-ish video where I'm going to include this in it, and I'll give you guys like a full rundown of like how it's been treating me, because by the time I do that video I would have been using it for at least like, it's probably like it will have been a month. So it's going to be a better time for me to speak about it. But yeah, I have been enjoying it so far, in a nutshell basically. So what I do is that, so this basically has a cartridge that has my face's specific needs for it in it, and then it just has a base which is just regular moisturizer. The moisturizer that I chose to get is for combination skin, because my skin is not dry, but I told you guys when I moved to Joburg my skin got drier than it was before, but I still do have oils in my T-zone, so it's combo skin. So I did want to get something that was quite hydrating, because obviously now it's going to be winter and stuff. But I find, again, I've said this many times on my channel, that creams that are for dry skin come really thick and like these like super hectic lotions, and I cannot have that on my face. Like my face hates that. It's like literally the cream is sitting on my face, so I don't really like that. I like something that is water based, that my skin can actually absorb well. So I put like 2 pumps of this in every morning, every night, And then I just put this all over. And after that, guys, this is how my skin looks. As you guys can feel, well, you can see, it's like really hydrated. It just feels soft. Right now it's still a little bit I want to say sticky, but you can feel a little bit of the moisturizer on. But later on, my skin, not later on, like literally in a few minutes, my skin feels amazing. I don't even like to touch my skin that much in general, but here, oh my darling, I have to keep my hands off. But yeah, guys, don't touch your face. That's really bad for you. But yeah, the biggest improvement I've seen in my skin, guys, is right here. I was watching a video of me moving to Joburg at the beginning of this year, and this part of my skin, I had quite a bit of darkness, and now it's just down to this, and soon this is gonna be gone too. Skincare queen, skincare queen, skincare queen. Okay, I'm gonna leave now, so let's get into the rest of the video. Okay guys, I'm having some this is just hot water with some lemon in it, just to settle my stomach before I go to bed. But yeah, I think this is going to be the end of the vlog. I hope you guys have enjoyed spending the day with me. Right now, before I go to bed, I'm just going to watch some of The Queen, The Queen, The River, and then I'm going to upload all of these files onto my laptop so that when I get up in the morning, I can just edit the video without having to wait like 5,000 years for all the clips to upload, because that literally is the bane of my existence. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing my skincare. As you guys can see, skin on 100, skin glowing, skin doing the things. I know that the Clinique moisturizer is quite pricey, on the pricier side of life, but I promise you guys, investing in your skincare, even if it's one product and not everything, because if you saw, the rest of my skincare routine is really affordable. Gentle Magic is literally like 2 cents, honestly, and then my face wash is 50 rand, so I don't really pay that much, but altogether that Clinique moisturizer really does an amazing job. But again, sorry, I burped. But again, look out for the video where the hot new shit video where I do a full review on the Clinique. Oh, that is so. Where I do a full review on the Clinique moisturizer. If you guys have seen me talk about any new products or post any new products that you guys might want to see in that video, please let me know down below, because it is very possible that I could forget some stuff. Obviously, I try to think of everything, but like, I am human and I do forget some stuff. So if there's anything specific you guys would like to see in that video, something that I already have, don't tell me about things I don't have, guys. Let me know, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the fam, ZeeXFam, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I would literally blow a kiss, but I can't right now because of how my life is set up right now. But bye.